It's my first time. Mwena abali eyo amanya n'eddoboozi Eddie Kenzo era nga ndi musanyufu nnyo okubeera nga nkolagana ne Esinga ambassador okuba nga tusimba emiti okwetooloola eggwanga lyonna. Right now tuli ku Coca-Cola e Namanve era ndi musanyufu nnyo okuba nga tusobodde okuba nga tukola n'abantu bano olw'ensonga nti ebyokunywa byabwe bakola bivira ddala mu mazzi. Senga amazzi gabeera gaddugala baba tebagenda kutuwa quality. So kya mukisa mulungi okuba nga tutambulira mu environment ennungi basobola okuba nga batuwa amazzi nga bafuna amazzi amatuufu okusobola okutuwa quality ebyokunywa byabwe. So tubebaza nnyo se tubebaliza ddala. Thank you so much nga bwe twongera n'okwebaza esi olw'omulimu guno omulungi okuba nga tukolera wamu ne twebaza n'aba national yes. So mwebale nnyo mwebale ddala mwena bannamawulire abali wano njagala okutwala akakisa okwenkalejinga bannansi bannange bonna gye bali guno bw'osimba omuti oba owadde life ofunamu omukisa mu lwa Katonda n'ensi olw'ensonga nti bw'obanga otadde osimbye omuti guno wansi n'oguteekayo omuntu yenna alijja n'agweggamamu n'afuna akawewo oba n'abaako kyakolerawo ojja kuba ofunamu empeera ewa Katonda ate nawe nyine ojja kuba nga olina kyolese ku nsi. Bino bye tulina okuleka bino ebisigadde bizimbe na biki bimala ne bigwa naye guno omuti gulisigalawo. So it's a blessing. You are giving life and you are making your country look so beautiful. Like when it comes to green, all need to go green. So kyakabi nnyo ndi musanyufu nnyo okuba nga ndi part of this. Let me take this opportunity 2020 tutandise nakuba nga to giving a life nga tusimba emiti nga tugoinga green all of us. God is the greatest. Thank you so very much.
With Coca-Cola and other partners who are here, of course Eddie Kenzo being the ambassador who is going to ensure that he passes on the message to all the people who follow him and also other Ugandans in general. It's very important for us to plant trees to ensure that first we safeguard the lives of those that will come after us. Because there are generations to come. People are cutting trees and not considering your great-great-grandchildren, how are they going to live after this? And then like my colleague mentioned earlier on, that this is an industrial area. There are a lot of emissions being released in the atmosphere. What are we putting in place to ensure that we curb those emissions? And the best way is the lungs of the earth. Trees are the lungs of the earth. So the best way to do it is plant more trees. Then we'll have fewer issues in future. So I would like to thank Coca-Cola and the other partners especially. First for Coca-Cola, not for this only. We have planted, I think for many years we've been partners in this. And they've not only focused on Kampala as it is. We've been to Bositema. We've been to several places. We also have other partners who do the same. We want to thank you. For Eddie Kenzo, there are very few musicians who consider environmental issues as a big deal. So I want to thank you in a very, very big way for considering such a cause as a main issue in your career. As NFA, would like to commit to all Ugandans. Most definitely we do. If you look at the current status of forestry in urban areas, people have turned the urban forests into industries, into homes and many other things. So the emissions that are produced in these urban areas are not being curbed. So we as NFA are going to work with different stakeholders in ensuring that we plant trees. We are already doing that with UNRWA. On all the highways we are planting trees. Then Coca-Cola has also been planting trees all over Uganda with us. So this we are doing with different stakeholders and we're moving around the country. The Ministry of Water and Environment launched a campaign where they're going to plant in all schools. So the institutions we're also targeting. Then the other thing, there's a campaign that's going to come up. 40 million trees in 8 hours. Every Ugandan will be expected to plant at least one tree. Imagine if we do this every single year, how many trees will you have planted? As we speak, the current state of forestry stands in a horrible state. In 1990, we were 24% forest cover. It dwindled down in 2015. We came down to about 9%. You can imagine. So, due to these different initiatives that we are doing right now, we have gone up, we have seen an increment. We have gone back to 12.5% thereabout. So if we continue with this, by 2040 we'll have gone back to 24%, which is really our target in the long run. Coca-Cola never partners baffe bonna olwaleero for considering tree planting ensonga enkulu. I would also like okwebaza Eddie Kenzo omuyimbi waffe celebrity waffe eyachuzinze okusimba emiti ng'ensonga enkulu. Eddie Kenzo webale nnyo, si bayimbi bonna ba considering environment nga ensonga enkulu. Nga ekitongole ekirabirira ebibira mu Uganda, twagala kwebaza Uganda nabo abatwala environmental issues as an important thing. Tubasaba mugende mu nurseries zaffe ezina endokwa, muzichime, musimbe emiti. Kubanga tusala nnyo emiti nga bwe mulaba kati, the rains, tubadde n'enkuba nnyingi, which is not the usual thing. Environment egende ekyukakyuka kubanga we are abusing the environment. So mugende musimbe emiti on highways, schools, buli wamu. Bobo oyina land yo genda osimbe emiti. NFA egaba miti free of charge.
Mwina target.
Zinga tezina bibira. Ebibira bigenze nga bikyusibwa into industries. Abantu bateekako land titles ne bazimba enju zaabwe. Others are doing farming n'ebirala. So twagala okulaba nti buli kitongole kisemba emiti mu compound yaabwe oba mu highways. We are already doing something ne UNRA. UNRA eyina contract ne NFA okusimba emiti mu highways zonna, okumakinga sure nti emissions zonna zetufulumya gino emiti gikola ki gigenda nga gigikabinga.
Talked about the 2040 target.
Yes.
Back to 24%.
We want to go back to 24% as we were in 1990. But right now as we speak, we are at 12.5, which is an increment from 9% in 2015.
And that is possible if we plant indigenous species.
Abantu abasinga bambuuza, why do you always need the earth? If we are going to continue having oxygen, twetaaga emiti. So please plant trees.
Most times what has been happening is that people have left the indigenous species for plantations. After 10 years, you're going to cut down that plantation. We can never achieve the target if we don't consider the indigenous species. When I visited here to study permaculture last year, I realized that these guys are suffering with the agriculture because they did consider nature. Most of this was future. It is that. And when I pioneered the World Forest Celebration, I was
ne partners baffe bonna. Right now NFA promotinga okusimba emiti egya bulijjo nga mahogany, musizi and all these other trees. So manyi nti abantu abasinga baagala emiti egikula mangu, naye ne gino emiti giri very important kubanga giri gye tusimba egyamangu, after some years tugenda ne tugisala ne tutunda, naye gino gisigala wali nga gitakinga care of our environment. So nobobo ina plantation yongo ine emiti gino egikula mangu, at least ku boundaries oba boba osimba emmere, for instance amatooke, tekako emiti gya bulijjo. First of all, gino emiti gimakinga sure nti ne gundi ne winds ezijja kati nga mu dry season, winds ezijja tezijja kumenya emmere gye musimbye. So let's make sure nti emiti tugisimba, naye ate temukoma kusimba emiti naye emiti mugirabirire. For 3 years, emiti gyetaaga kuwateringa and to make sure you protect them.
Ambassadors ever through music. And this is proven every single day in the great production centers. So we are proud, happy and humbled that you're here with us today, taking Uganda another step forward. He has explained to you very clearly that the reason we are doing this as Coca-Cola is to save the environment, quite simply. We rely on the environment as a company. All the quality drinks that we produce contain water, and that water must always be replenished. It must be clean in order for us to have clean quality beverages, non-alcoholic beverages like Coke, Fanta, you know all our brands, to give to Ugandans. But also when we are giving Ugandans those beverages, we want to make sure that the entire environment is clean. Planting these trees, these are only 2 trees, but today we are planting 4,000 trees in total in this general area. Planting these trees filters the environment. All our trucks that you see plying the roads delivering these sodas, juices and water also have emissions. The more trees we plant, the less the impact of those emissions on Ugandans in general. And because you're standing in the sun, imagine if we had trees. We'd be under shade. We'd talk for a very long time. We are going to spearhead in this Namambe Industrial Park. All the companies should plant trees. So let's do this program together. We'll open all the doors with our colleagues to ensure that we have trees in Namambe. This used to be a natural forest, and today it's an industrial park. That's very good for the economy, but it doesn't stop us bringing the forest back, so long as it's a manageable forest. Thank you very much. NC, save the environment. How? Nga tusimba emiti gino. Wano fe wano otulabye tusimba emiti ebiri gyokka, naye olunaku luno tugenda kusimba emiti 14,000. Ate nga tukulembeddwa Eddie Kenzo ono. Eddie Kenzo omusajja waffe nnyo Abannayuganda, leero azenga Green Ambassador, naye buli lunaku mu music we gyayimba n'abazinyi bo wali ba Ghetto Kids na babo bonna aba promotinga Uganda. Era tusanyuse nnyo okubeera naye leero, tukwebaza nnyo ssebo okujja tukulembera okusimba emiti gino. Emiti gye tusimba. The last thing I'm going to say, Eddie Kenzo, akati osimbye omuti wano Coca-Cola. Bana abantu within region. From Zambia. Now you're the one who has something different. Maybe because of gender.
The NFA guys are here. They're going to give us the different species.
Oh, yes. The NFA guys?
Yeah, they're all here, yeah.
And they'll tell us the benefits.
Yes, they are.
From Zambia, Kumani, it's good for furniture. So,
Zambia, it's good for furniture. But me, I'm like,